what do we got going here, mate?
We've got a brand new special edition ZX10R.
ZX10R SE. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Look at that. Sucking in the light, getting its energy up. Oh, beautiful wheels. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh.
Do you want a hand, mate? Oh, come on. I want to help you. I want to be part of the birthing. Oh. Goes through the axle. Oh, cool. Look at the bloody Kex suspension. Woohoo!
It's been recording for over a minute.
Oh, that's all right. That's cool. This is ZX10R SE Special Edition. We've just uncrated it, as I'll show you through the video. This is a cracking looking bike. Beautiful paint scheme. It's got that that pattern. I don't know what the technical name for that is, but I reckon, what's that? Pentagon? No, that's 5's a pentagon, isn't it? 6 is a spider-gon. So it's just come out of the crate, unbolted, took about 5 minutes. Just got to put the screen on and some bar ends, and that's really about it, and wet it up, you know, take the covers off the seat, which is pretty quick. Look at that, even the seat's nice. I'll take them home for the missus as shower caps, she'll like that. Got this special key, got the Ninja key there, and a standard key. These have all got chips in them, so they talk to the ECU, everything. So if you don't have that, you can't ride it, you can't do anything with it. It's got your Olin's steering dampener, electronic steering dampener. It's got your KECS electronic controlled suspension on there as well. So it's all electric. So basically works to 1/1000th of a second. I think they say thousandths or 10,000ths of a second. The difference it changes. You can also put these from, so if you only got one bike and you're lucky to have one, you can press a button on this, change the suspension to track if you're going on the track, and it immediately changes it to track settings, and then flick it back to the road to, just to go cruising around on the road with your mates on a Sunday. It's an ideal bike that does everything. You don't need two bikes with these. Do hundreds of thousands of Ks on them, mate. You won't wear the bloody things out. So we've got these. Got the SE on the tank. It's the matte black with the colour scheme. It's got the Marchesini forged wheels on this guy. Brembo brakes. That's your full show electronic suspension. It's got these little cords coming out here. Don't ask me what they're for, but I'm sure they do something with the electronics. Even things like 90-degree valves on them, straight out of the factory. So you can get straight in there, do that. These guys are basically track ready to go onto the track as they sit, just like this. If you want to race them and so on, you take the mirrors off, and I'm sure you'll be competitive straight away with those. You can also manually tune your suspension for your settings if you want to change that. Don't ask me how, I haven't got into that side of it yet. Battery sits under here. Obviously the battery's not in it yet, it's only just come out. And then you just got to bolt the seat down by bits up in the back under there. So it's a quick look. I'll put some videos with this as well of the one down at the show down at Phillip Island. Don't walk around too much in because it changes. So I'll put some stuff with the one at Phillip Island on as well, with this, some pictures and so on. But mate, awesome bike, awesome bike. I think it's a tad over 30 grand. Blows anything away. So get on one of these guys. Come and see us, Rad Maroochydore on the Sunshine Coast, and they are limited numbers as well. I think there's probably about 20 of them in the country, in Australia. I know of 5, so if you sell this one and get another one, but be quick, get one out, get on the track, enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Sorry to be in your face here again. What is that?
Rubber grommet to hold
What
the
I look
screen
like? Oh, yep. So that goes in that piece.
on the inside.
On the inside, and then the bolt. Oh yeah, sweet. Okay.
And the screen goes in between there.
Oh, it goes in there.
Yeah. on the
Ah,
inside.
sweet. Okay, cool. Cool. Slips under there. Chuck some bolts in here. All those grommets go on the inside. Like that. Yeah, through here. Look at the colour of those headers. They're bloody purple. Comes out with the Bridgestone Battle Axe RS10. Reckon they'd be a pretty good tyre? What do you reckon, Dan?
Absolutely.
ABS sensor there. Your electronic rear suspension. That's your sensor or whatever comes in there. 10,000ths of a second, a millisecond, whatever they are. Excuse me, you can change it. Crack of a bike. So that screen's on. That's it. What do you reckon, babe? Fully sick, mate.
Love it.